Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be, will you remarry? The chances of second marriage. Okay, we will ask the spirits and angels. We will ask the pendulum first for the yes or no, and further we can discuss with the cards. Okay, so there are few people who are requesting me. I think 1 year back, like that, I have done this kind of a reading, like second marriage and remarry. So again, once again, after seeing their request, I thought I will do it again. I know there won't be much views because very few of you will be thinking about this, right? So we will see, okay, whether you will remarry or the chances of second marriage, we will see. As usual, we have three piles here. Pile number one, purple seashell. Pile two, white seashell. Pile three, green seashell. So any one of the pile you can choose intuitively. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose the pile. Okay, so I have the black tourmaline pendulum here. So we will ask pendulum about whether it is yes or no. Then further we will proceed. Okay. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly helping me, supporting me to do more and more videos. Okay. I love to read all your comments. So please comment on the videos so that I will know, like, whether you like my readings, whether they are resonating or not. If you want any other different kinds of readings, some people are not commenting, but they are reaching me out through email. That is also fine. Okay, but don't forget that you express your feelings, like whether you are liking it or not. I should be able to know, right? Okay, that's all. Then without wasting much time, we will start the reading. Then if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Don't forget to press all. If you press all in that bell symbol, then you will get all my other notifications from my channel. Okay, so let us start the reading. Whoever chose this purple seashell, this reading is for you. Will you remarry or chances of second marriage? Okay, whoever chose pile number one, will they remarry or what are the chances for second marriage? Please give us yes or no answer, spirits. Is it yes or no? So you can clearly see, friends, it is rotating near yes. Okay, it is clearly moving in a straight line of yes. So that means definitely you will remarry. Okay, thank you, spirit. So let us pull some tarot cards to know more about your second marriage, the details about your second marriage. Please give us some guidance and clarity about their second marriage. Whoever chose pile 1, my viewers, please give us the details of their second marriage or remarriage. Okay. The Chariot, the High Priestess, the Hanged Man, the Fool. We'll pull some more cards. All the details about their second marriage. Whoever chose the pile number 1, please give us the details about their second marriage or remarriage. Again the Chariot, Ten of Sons, Postulant, Seven of Swords. We'll pull some more cards. Only 2 cards we will pull. all the details about their second marriage. Please give us some guidance and clarity. The Devil and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so these are all the cards we have, friends. So let us see. The Chariot is very prominent here. So Cancer sign might be very prominent in this spread, in this connection, and also Capricorn. I can see Taurus, Aquarius, Leo, and Scorpio very prominent here. Apart from that, I can see all the signs except Earth signs. Okay, I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I can see Pisces also very prominent here. Okay, so definitely the spirit said yes to your remarriage, or yes to your second marriage. So this person will be far away from you straight away, because Chariot is there. So that means this person will travel and come towards you very fast. Okay, so maybe you are waiting for a long time, maybe some months or years for the second marriage. So for some reasons your first marriage didn't stay, or it failed. Okay, for some of you, I can see some of them are unfortunately widowed. Okay, so that is the reason you are feeling lonely nowadays. So you want to know, will I remarry, will I have a life partner of my own, because you see your friends enjoying with their family, with the spouse, okay, posting pictures in social media. So you will be feeling sad, lonely at some point of time. Okay, so that is the reason you are asking spirits and angels whether I will be will remarry or not. Okay, so definitely this person will be, there is some age difference. This person will be very intellectual, and they will be in a very high post. Okay, their name might start with B, J, M, K, S. Okay, or O, or D. Okay, these are all the alphabet I can see. So definitely this person will be very matured, intellectual, spiritual, this person. And also I can see that the person whom you are going to marry is never married in their life. Okay, this person is not married. For some reason this person is like a hanged man position. Maybe they have some fears, or some insecurities. That is the reason they couldn't get married. Or they might be very much focused into their career, finances, or ambitious person, this person. So definitely this person is late, like this marriage will be of late marriage, maybe late 20s or early 30s. This person's age will be, there will be age difference for sure, but this person is not married, and you will be the, this will be your second marriage. Okay, so definitely this person, maybe they are working in abroad, and they don't have time to come to India, get married and go back. So that is the reason, that is maybe one of the reason that why they did not get married. Okay, that is the reason hanged man is there. So once they see you, they start feeling very obsessive feelings. And maybe for many of you, I feel that you are meeting online. Okay, maybe in the dating site. For some of you, maybe this person is non-committal or a player. So maybe there are many people in their life, maybe like not very serious relationships and all. Maybe they have this flirty nature. They are even I can see this person is very tall and little masculine, and little darker shade, darker side of the color, skin color. So this person is, that is the reason they did not marry till now. Okay, so they are kind of a player, and but not like serious relationships and all. So that is the reason now, once they met you online, once they meet you online, so definitely they will be obsessively thinking about you, attracted towards you very badly. Like they are also wondering, like, why am I feeling like this kind of feelings towards this person only. Till now they might have not seen this kind of thoughts and feelings towards anybody else, but once they see you, they will start getting this kind of feelings, obsessiveness, then possessiveness, all kind of very attraction is there, very much attraction is there, will be there. So definitely this person is like, I want to get this person, I want to have this person in my life, that kind of a very stubborn decision this person will take. Once they see you, they want to take a leap of faith, or take a risk. Okay. Because this person feels like, maybe your caste is different, some religious differences I can see. Maybe you are Hindu, the other person is Christian, or you are Christian, other person is Hindu, something like that. Or otherwise the caste issue also might be there. So that is the reason this person is still this person want to take a leap of faith, take a risk, because they like you so much. So they want to take a leap of faith. And at the same time they will be ending something, because they have lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. Maybe they are the elder son of the elder child of the family, so they have lot of responsibilities on their shoulders, and they are walking away from some connection. And that time they will meet you in the social media, so they instantly get attracted towards you, because 10 of wands is there. There is kind of a tired burden, okay, like this tired thing. Okay, so this person is tired of waiting, and they are bored of this loneliness, bored of this flirting and all. So now they want to commit to you, they want to have a serious relationship with you. That is the reason they want to come towards you and get married. And at the same time they are watching you, they are stalking you over social media. Maybe from your side it might not be that serious, so you might be thinking like, okay, this person is my friend, and you are little friendly, but this person is taking it very seriously. And they are watching you, they are watching you every your every move. Maybe they are checking your social media, they are checking your status, they are asking your friends, and whoever is there in between, mutual friends and all. So definitely this person is keeping an eye on you right now at this moment. So you know this person already. So this will be absolutely a love marriage, but this will happen in a right time. Okay, the wheel should turn into your favor, the time has come now. So definitely in the month of October you might see this person to come into your life. Maybe you will know about this person, because 10 is very prominent here, twice 10 is there, even 7 is there. So maybe 7th you will meet, or 10 you will meet, or your birthday is 10th, or their birthday is 10th, or July and October are very prominent here. So definitely this will happen in a right time, right moment. A wheel of fortune is there, that is the reason it will happen. So let us pull one guidance card, so that what you can you make to make this faster. Okay, let us pull one guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us one guidance card, so that they will know what kind of affirmations they can read every day, and they can process the this marriage faster. Okay, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the stone we have here is a red jasper. Are you procrastinating? Take action and complete what you have planned. Speak up for yourself, follow through, and take the necessary steps to see your projects to fruition. Have confidence in your own ability to make things happen. So these are the affirmations, friends. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Angel of action. I am grounded and focused on the task at hand. I creatively complete projects so that I can enjoy and share the end result. I am motivated to accomplish all that needs to be done. Okay, these are very good affirmations, friends. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Let me take out these cards quickly, so that we can proceed to the next pile. Whoever chose this white seashell, this reading is for you. will you remarry? The chances of second marriage. Let us ask spirits and angels. Let us ask the pendulum to give the answer yes or no. Dear pendulum, dear angels and spirit guides, please give us the answer whether the answer is yes or no. Will they remarry? Will they do the second marriage? Please give us some clarity. Please say yes or no. So this pile I can see the answer is yes. You can see the pendulum moving in a straight line, that is showing to yes. Okay, very good. So let us see, let us pull the tarot cards to see what exactly will happen, and we will see the details of your second marriage. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity, or give us all the details about their future spouse, details about their second marriage. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, already this is Four of Swords. Four of Cups, 4 is prominent. 5 of Pentacles. The Hanged Man is the bottom of the deck. Let us pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give all the details about their second marriage. Whoever chose pile number 2, please give details about their second marriage. Okay, we have already 3 cards here. 6 of Swords, Prophetess, then the Judgment. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have 2 of Suns. Okay, 2 of Wands. So let us pull 2 more cards from Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Let us pull 2 more cards from Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Again the Hanged Man, the Emperor. Okay, that's all I have for you. So the signs I can see here is Aries, very prominent. Then all the fixed sign, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius and Scorpio. I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see almost all the signs here. So I can see here this person is who you are getting married to. This person is stuck in their current situation. They're not able to move. Maybe they are stuck in their different marriage, like they are already married and they're not able to come out of that marriage. And I can see that this person, you already know this person, they are into your life, and this might be a reconciliation because Judgment card is there. So you are reconciling with a person who are already there in your life. Okay, so they might be your friend, or you have a love interest, or you broke up with this person, or you ended a relationship with this person, but you will be reconciling with the same person. And also I can see this person is staying far away from you, and both of you are hurt in this connection. Both of you are like wounded warriors. So you both are you both feel that you have some secrets in your life. They feel that you have some secrets, and you feel that they have some secrets, the other person. So that is the reason of your breakup. So you are feeling that that other person is not transparent. They are feeling that you are not transparent. Some trust issues are there in this connection. That is the reason you both broke up, and you both are not talking to each other right now. So this person is definitely praying for life partner, because they want to get out of their connection right now, and their marriage right now. That is the reason they are into hanged man position. They are not able to come to you, and they don't want to come to you before the other marriage ends. Okay, maybe you offered your cup of love in the past, and this person rejected because they are not very happy or proud of their past. Their past is not that good. So that is the reason they are they have self worth issues. That is the reason they are they didn't accept your offer, or they had ignored you, or that is the reason you got angry. Maybe you must have said some words which you are not supposed to say. So this kind of messages I'm getting. So then even though they have ignored you, they rejected you, whatever happened in the past, now they are praying for this connection. They are praying for you to come back. But this person might be in a very high position in their job or career. They are a little bit older than you. You have the age difference, and this person is maybe as a manager, CEO, military, police, army. Okay, this because emperor is there. Emperor is very king of kings. This person is very very powerful, and at the same time they are very commanding, narcissistic. So maybe that is the reason you don't like the qualities of that person. So that's the reason maybe you said that you cannot control me, I cannot be under control of anybody, something like that you must have said to this person. Okay, then you are in a like a queen of cups position. Okay, and maybe you are a single mom. Whoever is a viewer might be a single mom or a dad, you have children. So maybe this is also one of the reason of this hanged man position. So maybe you don't know whether your children will agree or not, or social society will agree this connection or not. So you don't know what will happen. So you are also quiet and they are also quiet. You both are in a hanged man position. But finally, you will marry the same person. This person will be coming towards you, and they are waiting patiently for you to come back. Maybe they are waiting for your message, call, or any kind of sign or signal from you. They are waiting because two of wands is there. So definitely this person feels like you are divinely guided, and you both are like king and queen. So they have already made up in their mind that you both are a couple or partners. Okay, that is the reason even the five of pentacles also, even though you both are not talking to each other, you both go in a same directions, go behind each other. Okay, so maybe you are not talking in the reality, but telepathically you are connected, and this person is also keeping an eye on you. They are not, they did not forget you, and definitely they want to take you with them along with your child. Maybe whoever is a viewer, they have one daughter. So this person want to come to you, travel towards you, and they want to take you and your daughter along with them to the different place. Okay, maybe a different state or city or country. So that is what their intention is. But when this will happen, this might take time, because twice the hanged man position is there. So definitely it might take one more year to happen, or 12 months, 12 months or 20 months it will happen. So definitely it will take time, because they have to take the decision. And number 4 is very very prominent. So you might marry this person in the month of April, or your birthday or their birthday is in the month of April. Okay, so 3 times the number 4 is there. So definitely 4 is very prominent in this relationship. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Pile number 2, let us pull one guidance card so that you can make it faster. This process, you can make this faster. Let us pull one guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us one guidance card. Okay, so 1 second, I got 2 cards here. Okay, this is Emerald. Hope you can see. Are you embarking on a new venture? Do you wish to increase your financial security? Trust that you have the ability to be successful and prosperous. Activate your inner entrepreneur. Believe in yourself and you will reach your goals. Very nice. So the affirmations, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this. Angels of prosperity. I am blessed with abundance. I am successful in all of my business pursuits. My actions come from a loving place and have beneficial results for myself and others. I am fortunate, I appreciate and enjoy my prosperity. Very nice affirmations. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Quickly, I will take out all the cards so that we can go to pile number 3. Whoever chose this green seashell, this reading is for you. Will you remarry or the chances of second marriage? Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please say yes or no. Will they remarry all or chances of second marriage? Please say yes or no. Okay, it is showing more towards yes, but it can be maybe also, but it is showing more towards yes only. Okay, so the answer is yes. Very lucky. So let us pull some cards to know more details about your second marriage or remarriage. Okay, so let us pull more cards about your, we'll find out the details about your second marriage. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Give us all the details about pile number 3, second marriage, their future spouse, all the details about their marriage. Please give us some guidance and clarity. King of Swords, the Hierophant, 10 of Swords, 6 of Cups. Let us pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity about their second marriage. For my pile number 3. Six of Cups. Again, 6 of Cups is there. The Star. Fortitude. And we have here 9 of Stars. Okay, let us pull 2 more cards from Sacred Indian Tarot. Please give us some guidance and clarity about their second marriage, spirits and angels. Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance. Okay, so the signs I can see here are, I can see Sagittarius, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then I can see all the signs except the earth signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius I can see, and fixed signs also, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius and Scorpio. I can see all these signs in the spread. Okay, that can be your person's sun sign, moon sign or rising sign, your future spouse. Okay, actually what I can see is there are 2 people coming into your life. That is why the answer is yes and maybe. Okay, so for this file little confusion is there. So you are not sure whether you want to go back to your ex or you want to marry a new person. Okay, so you have already completed with your ex. Okay, maybe you are divorced or you are completely separated from this person. So you went through a lot of pain in the past connection. So lot of swords like backstabbing, lot of pain, then you were not able to sleep at night. Even the same with the other person also, it can be vice versa. So whoever is the future spouse, they are also like they faced a lot of pain in the past connection. So this person is not single, they are already a divorced person, okay, they are already married and divorced. Not now, it might happen like maybe 1 or 2 years back, this person might have divorced the other person, and then they came to you. And even this also I can feel that this is a love marriage. This person might be your classmate, college mate, or childhood friend, or a neighbor. You know this person from many years. Okay, so even they are married, they are divorced, and you are divorced. So you both might be thinking to come together, but you are confused because you feel that you have children with the other person, your ex, and you don't know whether to go to a new person. This person is not new, but still you are confused. Okay, so one will be your ex, or ex might be very rude, or very narcissistic, or very commanding. Okay, this person might be like a king of swords. So this person gave you a lot of pain, troubles, so many emotional turmoil you faced with this person. But still you feel that you have lot of connection, many years you spent with this person, your ex. So you are not very sure that you can come out of this pain so easily. So you are trying to heal yourself, but you are not able to do. But once you complete this cycle with the ex, then only you will enter into this connection, because 10 is there twice, wheel of fortune, then the 10 of swords. Okay, 10 is there twice, so you will complete one cycle, then only you will enter into this connection. So this person, other person who is your classmate, college mate, or a friend, so this person is patiently waiting for you. They are very soft spoken, very like spiritual person, knowledgeable person, and they have very much value in the society. People ask their advice for their whatever they do, they'll ask their advice. This person kind of a priest or a pope, that kind of a very calm and quiet, sober person. But some, for some reason, they got divorced. They also had a lot of pain in the past. They were you both, actually you both suffered a lot. You have the health issues also because of that. You were not able to sleep at night, continuously crying, sobbing. Okay, now that other person got healed from this pain. Okay, they are out of this pain and misery. But you yourself, you are not balanced. Okay, so you don't know what to do. You are mentally, you are not stable, you, because your mind is pulling towards your ex also. At the same time, this other person is also pulling you, because six of cups is very very strong here. Twice the card came, so that means definitely this person is pulling you, they are attracting you, they are manifesting you in their life. Okay, so this person might be far away from you, because the star card came. Star means it is far away, so you can see the sky, the star in the sky, but it is very very far from you, right? So as I told you already, this person, your future spouse, might be a celebrity. They are very famous in their circle and society. Even in the social media, they might be very very famous. So this person wants to marry you. Definitely they will offer you their cup of love, and their love is pure and innocent. They are not expecting anything from you. Okay, so definitely they have this kind of strong passion and attraction towards you. And they are keeping an eye on you. Maybe they did not express their feelings to you, but because they fear that this friendship might break. But what they are doing instead, they are constantly checking your social media, they are observing you. Maybe they are asking your mutual friends also about your relationship, whether you came out of your connection or not, whether you are completely separated from your spouse or not, your ex, okay, or not. So they are patiently waiting for you. They are asking all the friends, they are checking your social media. So when you get balanced in your life, definitely they'll come back, and you both will be very very happy together, because the temperance is there. So that means you both will balance each other. You because you can see Ardhanarishwara, half Shiva and half Shakti. So that means you both are meant for each other, made for each other. So you will forget all your pains and sorrow in the past, and you both will be together balancing each other, and you will be very happy and very powerful. And people say, right, it is a power couple. So that kind of a relationship you will have. Okay, so very good, nice reading, pile number 3. But you have to clear your mind, make up your mind. Let us pull one guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us one guidance card so that they can, how they can fast the process of this marriage. If they read the, okay, one card already flew away. Let us see. This stone is appetite. Are you feeling agitated? Is there something you find hard to swallow? Are you having digestive difficulties? Pay attention to what you are thinking or talking about while you eat. Wholesome food, thoughts, and conversation can make things easier to process and accept. Angel of digestion. My appetite is balanced and healthy, and my digestive system is functioning normally. I am at ease with my physical body. I am comfortable in my surroundings. The people and situations in my life nourish me. Okay, very nice affirmations, friends. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.